In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to connect your iPad to OnePlus TV. So let's get started. Now, there are many methods to do this, but I'm gonna go with the best methods to the kind of more difficult methods, you could say. So method number one is using AirPlay, and this only works if your OnePlus TV supports AirPlay 2, which most of the newer models do. So what are the steps? Well, the first step is to make sure that your iPad and your OnePlus TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi connection, okay? So you can see that my Wi-Fi name is Maddie Wi-Fi. So I have to make sure that my iPad and TV are connected to Maddie Wi-Fi. Then on your OnePlus TV, so on your TV, what you have to do is go to Settings, System, and go to Apple AirPlay. So you should just go ahead, search through your settings, and you should see the Apple AirPlay option somewhere. So just go ahead and turn it on. Then on your iPad, you're gonna scroll down on the top right corner. Here you're gonna see these two screens, so just go ahead and click on that. And under here you're gonna see your OnePlus TV. Just go ahead and select it, and your iPad screen should show up on your TV. So this is the first method. Now the second method is using HDMI cable, and this is, you could say, a stable way because this is direct connection. However, for this you need a device something like this. Now let's say your iPad is a USB-C, which is something like this. Then you have to buy a USB-C to HDMI adapter, but some older models also use lightning cable. For that, you can just search up lightning to HDMI adapter. Well, this is like a few dollars. You can buy this from Amazon, and then you can just use an HDMI cable like you use for connecting your laptop to the TV or monitor. Okay, then the next method is using third-party apps, and this is if AirPlay is not available on your TV. So you have to go to Google Play Store and download this app called AirScreen. So just go ahead and download this on your TV. Then you have to make sure that you connect both your devices to the same Wi-Fi. Then in this app, you're gonna turn on AirPlay, and then you're gonna follow the same methods of obviously going up, going screen mirroring, and then choosing your TV, or perhaps you could see the name of this app. That's method 3. And the last method is basically casting videos only, for example, on YouTube and Netflix. So let's say I'm on YouTube and I'm watching this video right here, and I want to see it on the TV. I could just go open the YouTube video or the movie on Netflix, click on that, and then I could use the device I want to put it on. You could link with TV code, or you could also see, you can see AirPlay and Bluetooth devices, or you can directly select a device. So when your TV is on and nearby, you should see your TV popping up right here. So just go ahead and select the option, and the video should play on the TV. So yeah, those were the 4 methods. I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.